I need to hold a corner and it's slow winding. One time, I need to hold a corner and it's slow winding.
Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, Briana Marie, and today's tutorial is going to be collaboration number 9. We have finally made it to the end of this series, which is series number 1. There will be other series, but you just have to stay tuned for that. I'm going to tell you a little bit more when we get close to the end, so watch this whole tutorial through and you will know when the next collaboration will be. The theme of collaboration 9 was to do a halo eye, and this is what I came up with. Very cute and very like warm tone colors, and I had to add this pop for orange lip. You get to go check out the dolls in the beginning of the tutorial, and also go subscribe to them and tell them that B Marie sent you. I have to go, so if you want to see this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna take, hey y'all, is my Anglola highlighter from the crayon case, and I'm going to put this on my brow bone. Yes, excuse my nails because they off, and I was going to get them done today, but the nail shop wasn't open. Take my Morphe 3502 Nature palette, and I'm going to grab this orange shade on my Morphe 504 brush. I'm not naked. I do have on something. I learned with halo eyes is that to apply the shadow, you have to basically put shadow all over the lids, because when you cut it, you want it to only be in the middle. So of course you have to have shadow in the inner corner of your lid and then also on the outer part. The shade that I'm going to take is like this warm brown out of the Saharan 2 palette, 37 R2. This is going to be my last shadow. I'm switching up the brushes. This is a MAC 221, and I'm going to take this brown shade right here. Take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fine, my flower brush to conceal. Basically like cutting a crease, but you're not going to start from the inner part. You're going to start from directly in the middle. First color that I want to start off with is the first color that we did, which is orange. Make sure your concealer dries, y'all. Please, please, please let your concealer dry, because you don't want it to stain, and that always happens to me. I'm just going to add this nudie kind of shade, which is this one. Back into that brown shade. I'm kind of taking the brush and going backwards, not inwards, backwards, because when I do that, these shadows going to appear anyways. Do this other eye off camera, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to add the liner. This one is more so on, that's what it's looking like on this side, like going towards this way, and then this one, it looks like it's more in the center. Oops, my bad. I actually got sent a package from CoverGirl, y'all. CoverGirl sent me a package. It's basically a healthy glow. So it's basically a glow kit, y'all. So they sent me a glow kit. They have on here, can't wait to see you glow, girl. These are the things that you get on this box, y'all. So you get like a setting spray, concealer. I supposed to have this vitalized lip oil, but I didn't see it in here. I don't think they put it in here. And you get this glow. So this is what they sent. And we're actually going to be using the luminizing lotions, and I think I'm going to use this gold. It's basically like a luminizer, so when I put it on my face before my highlighter can pop even more. Is which one did I get? Damn, I thought I had the other one, but this is golden rose, so this is the wrong one. Stay Louder, and it's the Double Wear Foundation in Deep Spice, and then Huda Beauty Nutmeg 520G on my face. I highlighted my face and contoured. I contoured with Anastasia foundation stick in Earth, and then I highlighted with Cool Tan and Fawn, well mostly Fawn, and I powdered my face with Laura Mercier setting powder, my dark deep loose powder to set my whole face with. Added my powder and I also bronzed off camera, as you can tell. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to spray this setting spray. Felt hella refreshing. I'm about to take my Poshmatics Cosmetics Blair highlighter, and I think I'm going to take Anglola as well. Blush is big one for that orangey coppery kind of feel. I'm going to take this blush called Saharan by Sleek. About to add this liquid lipstick, and it's called Always On. Thanks so much for tuning into this tutorial. We have made it to the end of this series, y'all. Sad to say, I had fun, but it was a little bit painful because it was so many dowels. It was all worth it because all of you dowels were so beautiful. I'm having another series, and that is at 500K. So once we reach it to 500K on this channel, there will be a series number 2. You guys can express yourself on my channel and get exposure to your YouTube channel. Know that you guys can get us there. So all you have to do is keep sharing this video, and also share this video as well so that other gals will be aware of my platform, and so that they can come and up for series number 2 and we can get that started. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and follow me on social media sites like Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Not collaboration, but video.